Welcome to the Wands for SAP AI Doc Assist demo. Searching through documentation websites or knowledge base articles to get answers to a specific query can be time-consuming. How about having all the information available instantly? Let's see how AI Doc Assist can help. After you launch Wands for SAP, you can find the AI Doc Assist icon in the Help section. You can also find the AI Doc Assist icon in the Tools section of GL Wand, Reports Wand, Planning Wand, and RDM tabs. Click on the AI Doc Assist icon and then directly enter your query in the AI Doc Assist window. For this demo, I am going to add a common question that always comes up. How do I drill down from a balance? Now, the AI Doc Assistant searches through all the information. It looks at the documentation portal, knowledge base articles, and of course, the nested impact of the question to return the best possible result within the user interface. In the References section, you can find specific knowledge base articles and links to the topics in the documentation website. Select Drill to Document, and it opens the content from the documentation portal. Let's take another example. How to retrieve balance data from SAP in real time. The AI Doc Assist quickly searches and displays the result in the chat window. Again, select the References section to view the links to the related knowledge base articles and the ones in the documentation portal. Let's go for another query. How can I create a report template? As expected, the AI Doc Assist displays the answer after a comprehensive search, along with relevant links in the reference section. And there you have it. With AI Doc Assist, you can quickly and easily get the information you need.